Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video. Oh my god, I have been gone for the longest time. No reason for it. It kind of just ended up being like 1 week turned into 2, turned into 3, turned into 4. But anyway, we back, and yeah, back with a Zara haul. So if you don't already know, Zara have got their seasonal sale on at the moment. It started last week, I think it was, or the week before. Anyway, they have some amazing stuff, and I had been eyeing up a lot of their blazers, so I managed to get myself quite a lot of them. And yeah, I'm just going to get straight into showing you them. And I should probably add as well, this isn't like a styling video. I'm just going to literally probably have like one base on where I can and just show you how everything looks on, just so you get an idea of everything. Okay. So I'm literally surrounded. I'm like in a Zara fort right now. Oops. So I've got 1, 2, and a third box here. So yeah, let's start. I'll start with the one that's out already. Oh, and nearly forgot, we also have a bag. So yeah, let's get started. So the first item of clothing that I'm going to show you are these jeans here, these white jeans. And I just kind of saw them randomly when I was walking around looking at the sales, and they looked really nice. And I looked at the label and it was a size 10, and I was just like, this looks like a really big 10. So I took it home to try it, and yeah, it fits me. It's quite different for me, I'd say, as well, but I actually quite like it. And I think it looked really nice with like blazers in the summer, if we ever get summer. To be fair, today is actually really like warm and like muggy. It's raining, but it's warm. But yeah, it'll look nice worn with some sandals or whatever. With some sandals, some nice shoes, trainers. So that's that one. And this is a blazer that I picked up from store. So, oh, this is actually, that's funny. Yeah, so this blazer here, it's this kind of print there. So it's got kind of like a red, kind of a browny orangey red colour going through it, and a blue and like a brown. So it is a really nice blazer, and it just looks like this. You'll see it on, really good quality, of course, as always. The Zara blazers we're talking about. This was from $49.99 down to $29.99, which is really good discount. The jeans are $19.99 down from $27.99, by the way. Okay, let's move on to the first box. So this is definitely not like summer appropriate, this item that I'm showing you now, but although it could be for like cooler evenings and things like that. So it's like a long cardigan, and it's got these big pockets at the front, and I just thought, I don't know, I like the idea of it, but I'm not really sure I like it on. And then I saw that they had a matching knitted dress for it, so I thought this will be really nice for like when we move into like autumn kind of thing. But I didn't like it on. It was super clingy, and it wasn't like the length that I thought it was, so that's a no. I'll just put a picture here for you so you can see what it looks like on. But yeah, I wasn't feeling it, but it is really nice quality though. And this was from $29.99. They've not put the sale price on it, so I don't actually, oh yeah, all the online ones wouldn't have the sale prices on them, all there, so I can only tell you that they were both $29.99. I think they were like $19.99 now or something like that. And guys, it's boiling in my room. I can just feel myself getting slowly hotter and hotter. So yeah, if you start to see a glow, that's why. Okay, the next thing that I picked up was this. I really liked it. So it's like kind of a neutral kind of colour, and it's got like the pop of pink, like neon pink on it. And it's just a long sleeved kind of like thin kind of sweater type thing, jumper type thing. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, this is really, really nice. And guys, don't worry, I will I will leave links for everything, US and UK links, as I always do, to everything down in the description box, everything that I can find. If anything is sold out, then just keep checking back, because they regularly restock, because some of the items here as well like were sold out, and then they came back in and I managed to get them. So just so you know. And then I got these jeans, which I was eyeing about before I even like put them in my basket. online. So the Troot wide leg jeans. These are like my dream perfect denim like jeans colour. Let me zip it up. But the reason I'm in an O-ring about it was because of how super wide it was. I prefer like a straight leg, but this is like super wide, and yeah, I think it's a bit too wide. And also the waist was way too big on the back. It was just like proper gaping, so that's annoying. But the colour is really nice, and yeah, it's just the style's not really for me. So that's box number 1. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is the first blazer box. So this white blazer you probably already seen. I absolutely love this, and the funny thing is I actually ordered this when it was $79.99, when it was full price. Yeah, when it was $79.99. It came down to, I think it was $49.99. But anyway, I absolutely love this because firstly it's not white, it's cream. And secondly, it's got buttons that match the blazer, which I just think makes it look really, really expensive and really classy. It's an interesting material, but it's not bad. Obviously, it's a really nice quality. It's just not like your standard smooth material. It's like a woven material. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so I actually bought this when it was full price, and I just was like, I don't know, there's something about when something's in the sale that makes you love it some more. But yeah, so that's $79.99. I just thought that was a bit steep. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this in the sale and that I waited for it. And also, do you know something that really annoys me is that literally, and I found this with pretty much all of H&M's white cream blazers, is that they're all what do you call it, dry clean only. And I'm like, a white blazer dry clean only, like I need to be able to like wash it anytime I get something on it, because we know that'll happen. So okay, okay, the next, oh my god, what's going on here? The next, oh my god, the next item is this blazer, which I am obsessed with. So you'll not really see it here, you'll see it in the try on clip, but yeah, I absolutely love it. It's a double-breasted blazer. It's literally the perfect colour, the colour that I've been looking for the longest time. Amazing quality, and this was from $69.99. And what's my brother calling me for? Leaks, what's up? So yeah, this blazer is so beautiful, and I just love it. You'll see it on, it's just perfection. I absolutely love it. And then in the last box is the last blazer, but I've actually hung it up already, so let me just go get it for you. Okay, so the last blazer, and actually the last item, yeah, is this blazer here. And this one is dry cleaning, which is annoying, but at least it's not like a super light colour, and it looks really good on. And this one actually I've been wanting for ages, but it was just always sold out on the website in my size. So yeah, I was really happy when it came back in. So this was from $69.99 and I got it for, I think this was $39.99. But yeah, a really nice quality. Like Zara blazers are absolutely like the best. They just look so chic, so expensive, but you know, yeah, they're just not like hundreds of pounds. So that's that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, all links will be down below, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.